Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So we have to continue with this creating the spaces. So in my previous tutorials, I have completed up to here barber shop. So now I'm going to continue from electrical room. So go to this HAP software. Just double click, duplicate this barber shop and rename this electrical room. Okay. So next is floor area for this electrical room. So here you can see 2 meter by 4.3. So you can calculate 2 into 4.3 is 8.6 square meter, multiply with 10.76, it will be 92.5, so you can say 93. So 93 square feet. Height will be 9 feet, and here you can select the electrical room. Just check. You can see if there is no electrical room here. So electrical room, there is fresh air is I think not required. So leave it. You can make it user defined. Okay, so here 5% of supply air I want to keep. Lighting and equipment will remain same. Number of people is 0. Electrical room there is no people. So here is the exposure. So you can see this is the north and this is the east. So north and east exposure is there. You can change from here the exposure north and east. So north, how much will be the gross area? Wall gross area. So here you can see 2. The width of the wall is 2 meter, and convert into feet 3.28. So 6.5 into 9. It will be 59 square feet. So here 59 square feet. Okay. There is no window. Window will be 0 and door is also 0. Just check. They said no door, no window. Okay, so just go to the east exposure. So east exposure is 4.3. The area will be 4.3. 4.3 into 3.28. It will be 14 feet into 9 feet is the height. So 126.9. It will be 127 square feet. 127 square feet. Okay, and there is one door. You can select here single door. And then go to the roof and skylight. Just select H 93 square feet. Okay, here 93. And then go to the floor. Slab floor on grade. There is no partition. Just check it. There is no partition. Okay, so make it 0. Click OK. Save it. Okay, so this space is also created. Next space is sorting area that we had to create in the next tutorial. So please be with me and keep watching my full videos, full tutorials. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Bye bye.